Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a properly sized icon and placing it where the map code can fetch it. Export a PNG or SVG at 48x48 and optionally provide a double-size asset for Retina. Once done, add the file to your web folder or upload to your CDN. Make sure to confirm whether you are using Google Maps JavaScript, Android SDK, or iOS SDK because the code snippet differs. Now that your asset is accessible, you're ready to instantiate a marker with a custom icon. You'll replace the default marker by passing the icon configuration into the marker constructor. For JavaScript, provide icon, URL, size, scaled size, anchor. For Android, use bitmap descriptor factory, from bitmap or from resource and set marker options. Icon, for iOS, use UI image and GMS marker. Icon. Once you set scaled size or explicit pixel size, test alignment and refine the anchor so the pin's tip points precisely at the lat/LNG. You finish by validating the icon at multiple zoom levels and screen densities to ensure clarity and correct anchoring. Once satisfied, commit the change and monitor performance. Large files will slow down map loading. If your icon doesn't appear, make sure the URL is correct, confirm CORS headers for hosted images, and clear the browser or app cache to avoid stale assets. If alignment is off, tweak the anchor or center coordinates until the marker tip lands exactly where you want it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.